Okay, hello everybody. Some of you might have come across videos like this. Okay, you might have come across videos like that, and for example, this channel was just created 3rd of December, roughly a month back or thereabout. We'll see they already have 4,000 subscribers, and the popular video here is having 289,000 views. Okay. Apart from that video, as an example, there are many other videos. Take a look at this, for example. Okay, no, that one is not even. Take a look at. Okay, let's search animal fusion. Yes, animal fusion. Take a look at this one. Now, go and check this channel. Let's analyze this channel. This channel is having only 88 videos, and it was created May last year May, and it's already having 300,000 subscribers. You see, less than 1 year, this channel is already having 300,000 subscribers, and the popular video here is having 13 million views. There are many other channels like that. Just go to your YouTube search and type animal fusion. You'll see a good number of videos like that. Now let me just take you through that you know how to create such videos. All you need to do is to go to a Play Store. When you come to a Play Store, just type animal fusion. Okay, come to search, type animal fusion, and you will see the 4th option, animal fusion AI mix animal. That's the best application you use. You click on it. After you click on it, I've already downloaded the application. I've already downloaded it. So you open it, and after you open the application, you now let me take you to the beginning. Choose animal. Then if you want to mix 3 animals, you choose the 3rd option. If you want to mix 2 animals, you pick the 1st option. For me, let me go with the 1st option. And then I prefer video. You just leave it as video. Then instead of open, click on continue. When you click on continue, if you like, you can mix Cristiano and Ronaldo. But for me, let me mix animals. The 2nd animal. Then click on create. After you click on create, just wait for it. It's generating and your hand will be vibrating. The reason why I love this application is that it comes with sound. I've seen one more, but that one does not come with sound. For you to get the sound, you have to export it as HD, and it is a paid version. This is our result. Now click on save. It's been saved. You now go to your gallery. You now go to your gallery. After you go to your gallery, you can now locate the application. Okay, guys, this is the application. Good looking. But then this application comes with watermark. The watermark is not clear. If you want to remove the watermark, you can just import it to CapCut and write maybe the name of your channel and cover the watermark, and that's all.